So I officially I'm moving. These bangs play in our faces sometimes. Why they look so big? Shower curtain hooks, baby. 10,100 and something like that. Packages. Did you know you have to wait 1 year before you can actually get paid time off? That's ridiculous, right? Now check it on water heater. Look at it. I cannot understand how we still have like this mean girl attitude. And I'm not even mean girl no more, because that's a mean girls when they're in a high school or when they're in a school. These are mean women. Never lies. They're fluorescent and they're very bright. You see the co-workers them gossip about other people around you, trust and believe that they will gossip about you as well. Clean my bathroom, wash my shower. My washing machine come, they put white light in. And I just want to quickly show you the new space. It's unfiltered. This hey guys, so I officially I'm moving. So I am at the new apartment. I have like 8 minutes on this mem card, and I just want to quickly show you the new space. It's unfiltered. This moving vlog, you're going to get this in really unfiltered. I like the fact that there's a lot of sunlight in the space. So let me show you just a little bit. There's no curtain rods up yet. I went today and I bought curtain rods. Turn around, because I'm not talking at the camera. So this, I spent 10,100 and something for 4 curtain rod, 1 mop, 1 small bucket, garbage bin, and some shower curtain hooks, shower curtain hooks, baby. 10,100 and something like that. I'm stressed out. Oh, I'm gonna buy some other something. Almost $100. Anyways, the time I run out, I'm gonna show you the space real quickly. So let me turn it back around. So this is outside. So I have a personal entrance right here. Anyways, I need to change out the bulbs. My neighbor can sit directly on my house if I not put up a curtain. So this is going to be like the bedroom area. I have a my washing machine come. They put white light in. Oh no, I like white light. They always in here. Orange light. I remember. But my washing machine come. I'm gonna talk about the fridge after. This is the kitchen area, living room. All of my stuff in the right there so far. Let me see. I'm gonna change out the bulb there. I'm gonna need the fan on. But I'm gonna need to get one ladder to change out the bulb there, and we can't reach it. Gas drum. The stove, not buy it. I can't afford the stove yet. Oh, I think that is the refrigerator coming right now. I think so. I have a feeling that that's the refrigerator. Yeah, is that coming right now? Anyways, the refrigerator is supposed to come right here. Let me see if it's not me. No, not coming. No, I'm gonna have one screensaver on my phone. This is all of my stuff. The bathroom, I hate the bathroom. I need to have a cap. I hate the bathroom. I'm using a bathroom girl coming. They had PVC pipe right here, but they changed it out. Now check it on water heater. Look at the tub. The tub is horrible. What do you think, sir? Washing machine horrible. Horrible. What do you think, sir? The refrigerator unbelievable. What is going on? Oh, like one different truck. That's weird. Okay, many things that put that aside. Many things that the refrigerator delivered, but it's not the refrigerator. They have a lot of love that. Anyways, the bathroom. What I was saying about the bathroom? I'm sorry. I thought it was the thing coming in. Toilet. I'm in the toilet. Look on the tub. I even till I get to see a good view of it on the camera. It is stained. But what? We need somewhere in the center. The central. So we work with it. I like the fact that I have the sunlight coming. But of course, because the houses are so close together, we have to get curtains up. Yeah. Anyway. anyways, let me turn you around now to talk about it. It has been a journey. I have no seats. I'm looking in this and I need to look in the camera. I have no chairs yet. The mattress and the bed base. What the fuck did it come from? The mattress and the bed base supposed to come. They've been back and forth with it. I don't know what courts is going on with, but I paid for it already. Waiting for it to be delivered. They say it's going to come on Monday. Let's see. Monday is going to be one day before Christmas. Monday is the 23rd of December. The refrigerator came and the washing machine came last Saturday, but guess what? The refrigerator door broke. Like the refrigerator door was broken. How? Why? I don't know. And it's brand new, coming on the ship, they say. But that was damaged, so I had to take it back. They said they're coming back today with it, supposed to, but I haven't seen a call from them. So let's see. So I'm here waiting for that. I was saying I could start unpacking some stuff, but honestly, I'm just tired. I'm gonna sit down and I can't sit down because I don't have nowhere to sit down. Probably just gonna put my plastic bag on the ground and sit on the ground, but we have nothing yet. But we shall be getting the place together, so let's see. So many things are going on. Anyways, stay tuned, watch the vlog. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I promise this year, 2025, I'm going to be on my Zoom. So I'm going to be trying to drop in more videos since my life is more active now. Your girl got a job. We have a job. We're moving. And we're starting afresh. Last year was for chilling and relaxing, and this year is to get the bread to the bag, they say. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm down to 3 minutes on this memory card, so I'm going to wrap it up, clear up my memory card so I have space for other vlogs that are supposed to come. Hey guys, what's up? Hey, so I am at home, just catching up my hair real quick. I am waiting for an electrician to come here. He still hasn't gotten here yet, and I need to go about my business. Today is Saturday. I got up, I cleaned. I haven't had breakfast yet, but I got up and I cleaned. That is what he's coming about. The light switching off without anyone touching the switch. So I have no lights in here. Anyways, the electrician is supposed to come here and sort out the electrical work. I am hungry. I've not had breakfast. I got up. I clean my bathroom, wash my shower, wash my face basin. I sweep out the house. Of course, I make my bed every morning, and I wash out my kitchen sink. And I'm gonna have, I bought this loaf, strawberry. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, strawberry loaf at Progressive. Mega Mart usually sell it, then Progressive came out and Progressive selling it. And I've been eating it. Wait, I'll touch my dirty hair. Let me wash my hand. Making a YouTube. Starting the vloggy vlog today on Saturday. It's probably going to be a day in my life. I have some unboxing to do, so I'm going to do that. Yeah, the strawberry loaf is really good. I just took a shower. Still waiting on the electrician. The electrician still hasn't gotten here yet, but here we are. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the place is a bit noisy. I'm here eating peanut. I'm outside. It's Saturday morning. Well, Saturday afternoon now because it's 12:40 something. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my face. Me there chew on me and talk. Alright, hold on. Let me get some water. And the man carry around. Nice and wine. But anyways, let me talk louder. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am the Traveler. I definitely have to go change the intro because all of this noise in the background not gonna work. Anyways, I got some packages. I got this is my second pair of New Balance. Yay! I got a green and white pair while I was in America, but it was a bit roomy. Like I went a size up because I think, you know, it was probably going to be too tight and whatever, and that one was a bit roomy. So let's see how this one fits. This one is my exact size. I realized that they stretch over a time, over wearing them over a period of time, they actually stretch, so they stretch it. People just in the background, I don't know. Over a period of time. So I think I get the best lighting on my veranda, and this is where I'm going to do the video. So over time, the New Balance is the stretch, so I went to my exact size and let's see how it works. Boy, when another dog that my fight me like my mother yard, I carry them. The driver them, the taxi them, the car man them, the truck, the mini truck, the minivan. Okay, let's do this over. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do some unboxing today, and I have a New Balance. Now this is my second pair of New Balance. We're going to see how it works. Alright, look at this camera. So this is my second pair of New Balance. I'm going to see how it works. I bought the exact size this time because my first pair I bought it a bit roomy, like half size up, one size up, and it's a bit roomy on my feet. So I bought my exact size this time to see how it's going to work. What I can say is that over a period of time I'm wearing a New Balances, they're going to stretch. Let's get into the unboxing. So the first thing we're gonna unbox is this pair of shoes. Listen, it's Saturday and the electrician is supposed to come here. The electrician is supposed to come from 11. It's now 12, almost 1 o'clock. No electrician. So I'm just here waiting at this point in time. I need to go on the road. I need to leave, but I'm waiting on the electrician. Wow, the sun actually come up. That's nice. I want some sunlight in my room, so I'm probably going to adjust my curtain to get some light in my room. So let's open up the box. I never have the pair. Oh, I never have the shoes on the inside. Dollar cute. Yeah, I never have the shoes on the inside. Let's get into it. Oh, these are nice. Why them look so big? Why them look so big? Why them look so big? So this is a pair. Open it to make it clearly. So it has a bit of grey on it, which I really love. Beige. Let me see if I can tap in so I can focus. So grey. So there's grey. There's some amount of beige on it. Beige. Very light, but it look big. It's 10.5. Let me try it on. Because these look big. So they come with different like paper. Hello. Hello. There's a pass. Let's see how they fit. They're a bit roomy, so the lace on the inside. You know what is inside of the shoes? The lace dirty. It's dirty? I don't know. I probably can't see it. I don't know where this one ants come from. How the ants survive? One freaking ants. Anyways, I'm looking inside the shoes. So it has an insole. Alright, let's try it. Let's see. So this is 10.5. These shoes are mad ugly. You probably can't really see it. Okay, let me change. Let me move over. This is how it's looking. Let me tap in. This is how they're looking. It's not the cutest. It's not the... Let me turn around. Let me turn around the camera and show you guys. Let me turn around the camera and show you guys. Hold on, hold on. This is how they're looking. Look at that part. That space. Is it? Hopefully you guys can see clearly. I don't know how I feel about them sneakers here. I'm gonna bring it back out. I don't know how I feel about these sneakers. They do have space, even at a 10.5. There's still a little bit of room at the front, and I'm at 10.5, and there's still a bit of room at the front. But I don't know how I feel. You can't really see the style, but I'm gonna try to insert a photo of it. And it just slip on and slip off. I'm a belly. I'm a bit bloated right now, but clean, yes, clean, but I'm not sure what got on the lace. Anyways, that's the pair. Let me show you how this side look. Let me see if you guys can see. You see it? What shape? I can see a shape. It's such a unique shape. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. It's such a unique shape. I don't know if you guys can see clearly how the shape look. I'm looking at the viewfinder to see if you guys can see it. It's such a unique shape. Anyways, let me check if this is record properly. Alright guys, so we're back. I had to check on the video if it's videoing correctly. So the second package, this is from Amazon. It's some face stuff. I had another package as well. It was missing for some time, like the shipping company just lose the package, and it was missing. Well, I really don't want to fly going on me. Play this, hold on there. I don't want to fly go inside. I don't want any flies to go inside. So anyway, I had another package, but I had some stuff for my nephew on that package, and it was just missing. So I found it, so I left that, I unboxed that and left it at my house. Okay, so I guess customs open my box, because why did my thing just come slipping out? Anyways, so jeez, don't deal with the package and bother. That's annoying. So that's annoying. Anyways, I have some face toners I really like from this brand. This face toner is Urban Skin. The dog them poop up around the place and it stink. Oh my gosh. Anyways, Urban Skin, these face toners, I bought 2 of them. And now I need a cleanser. I should have bought a cleanser as well. I had a cleanser, but now it's almost done. So I got these as well. Let's see if it will focus. There we go, from Urban Skin. It's their brightening pH balancing witch hazel toner. Really like it. And I was out of that, so I bought 2. What is it about? Oh, I opened this box because again I thought the electrician would be here by now, so I opened this box. So I really like these type of lights. They're fluorescent and they're very bright, so I want to put in these 2, so I bought 2 of them from Amazon. Very bright. They call it garage lights, but I really like them. I have one in my bedroom back at home, so I got some for here as well. So this is how they're looking. They call it warehouse lights or garage lights because they're supposed to be very bright. So yeah, I got 2 of them. One for my bedroom, one for my kitchen. Yeah. Anyways, what else did I buy? I'm coming. I'm gonna put these back up. Cause boy, the electrician look like him not come today. The electrician is a play in my face and everyone's face at this point in time. Why all of my packages I'm open? Around here stink. Oh my god, the dog. Fudge stickles one. Anyways, I bought a queen size mattress protector. I'm going to put this on as well. So I have the liquid spill protector, right? Like if you spill liquid on your mattress, I have on that protector. And I also bought this plastic one that is supposed to cover it from dirt and dust and water and moving damages. So I'm going to slide it over my mattress. Yeah. That's trash. And then I have one more item from Amazon. Boy, them really open up all of my boxes. That's really annoying. But let's see. Amazon sent this little box with this tool or something. That's what it goes. Alright. So, because of the type of glass that I have, so let me show you. You see? And it is right at my bedroom. So I was trying to find something to cover up the glass so people cannot stay from outside and see inside. So this is basically like a wrap that I can put on the glass. I'm going to experiment and try it out and see how it works. So anyways, this is what I'm going to put on it. Hopefully it can work. This is how it's looking. So I have it to put onto the glass. I can insert a photo so you see how it look. Anyways, what's going on? One, the stove is supposed to be delivered. I bought a stove. It is supposed to be delivered. I wanted to sort out the electrician situation first before I bring in the stove. I bought a little patio set, really cute. That is going to get delivered with the stove. I haven't arranged a refrigerator just yet. I need to buy a refrigerator. I saw one that I like, so I just need to buy it. What else is going on? Oh, something to talk about is if your co-workers them are gossip about other people around you, trust and believe that they will gossip about you as well. I cannot understand how we still have like this mean girl attitude, and not even mean girl no more, because you just say mean girls when they're in a high school or when they're in a school. These are mean women. I can never understand mean women attitude. Like you're in the workplace and you literally have been mean to other women, and for what? Can never get it. Can never understand. But yeah, that was an important one. Like if they talk about other people around you, trust and believe that they will talk about you as well. Yeah. I was washing this white blouse with a green dress, and I think the green dress run on my white blouse. Yup. What else I go on? I'm really excited. I was really excited about the New Balance, but no, I don't know the shape. No, I don't know how I feel about the shape. Like I was really excited about it, and no, I just don't know how I feel about it. Vlogging outside during the middle of the day and knowing that people are all around in their house, probably like listening to what I'm saying. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of exciting. Oh my gosh. But yeah, what else did I want to talk about? I don't know. I can't think of anything else that I wanted to talk about. Jesus. My peanuts. My peanut just spilled. My peanut just spilled on the ground. I'm going to have to come back and sweep out here one more time. These bangs play in our faces sometimes, and I'm really annoyed. I'm really like me to contemplate what I'm going to talk about this or not. But I'm there. I'm been you know, save my little money and whatever. And that normally say you save your money, you save up your money for a rainy day. And when the rainy day comes, you're supposed to be able to access your money and take out your money and use it when the rain is pouring. It's been almost 2 weeks now. Wow, the people in my boat start playing domino. Yeah, that boat start playing domino. I'm gonna stop recording shortly. Anyways, saving up my money for a rainy day. The rain is pouring right now, right? Rain is pouring, it's storming. Want to access my money so I can, you know, buy the few stuff that I need to buy. It's been 2 weeks now. One bank investment agency in Jamaica. 2 weeks now I've been waiting to access my little rainy day funds, and they're making it so difficult, so difficult for me to get my little money. And it's just annoying. It's just annoying because anyway, what the expression? Anyway you take it, Makajukyo. Anyway you take it, there's a problem. If you save it in your house, two things: criminals want to take it from you. Two, the police are gonna ask you like why you have so much money in your house. If you save it in one institution, two things: the same criminals are working at these institutions going to try to take it from you, or two, the process to get it is so long and lengthy, and that is so annoying. It's been so annoying. The rain has been pouring and I'm yet to access what I need to access, which is mine. Anyways, I'm rambling. I cut out the video and save my little battery until I go outside and do something fun and cool. Like, I move up here and I haven't done, no, bigger thing, I moved to Jamaica. Over a year now, I moved back and I've yet to go to the beach. I've yet to go to the beach in Jamaica, and I've been to the beach in quite a few other countries since I've been back on this side of the world, and I'm yet to go to the beach in Jamaica. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. I think this year, 2025, I'm going to try to explore, working and all of that. Did you know you have to wait 1 year before you can actually get paid time off? That's ridiculous, right? 1 year before you can get paid time off. So I cannot foresee myself taking any trips, international trips, but I plan to see as much of Jamaica as I can while I can. And I definitely need to go to the beach. Yeah. But anyways, I'm going to wrap up and yeah, get ready to leave, because at this point in time the electrician is obviously not coming here, and that's annoying because that's like a waste of a good morning that I could have been doing something else with. Anyways, bye.